Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to walk through the steps on how to show your relationship status to just your friends on Facebook using your PC after the new update. This is a great way to share your personal life while still maintaining some control over who sees it. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your PC. Head to the Facebook website and log into your account. Next, click on your profile photo located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you directly to your profile. Once you're on your profile, look for the About section and click on it. This section contains all sorts of information about you. In the About section, navigate to the Family and Relationships tab. Here, you'll find your current relationship status. Next to your relationship status, click on the Audience icon. This icon allows you to control who can see your relationship status. A drop-down menu will appear, giving you various options for your audience. Choose Friends from this menu. This ensures that only your Facebook friends will be able to see your relationship status. Finally, click Done to save your changes. And that's it. Now, only your friends will be able to see your relationship status on Facebook. This is a simple yet effective way to manage your privacy while still sharing important life updates with those closest to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.